It's Friday. Let's catch up, Henry. We're only 6 days away from the start of the 25-26 school year across Henry County schools on Thursday, July 31st. While our students have been enjoying their last days of summer break, our dedicated teachers, leaders, and staff have been hard at work preparing for another year of building bright futures. Over the last week, here at the Academy for Advanced Studies, we've welcomed nearly 500 new teachers to the most noble and honorable profession there is. Our orientation for new educators and support staff equipped them with knowledge and resources, while our Henry County community and our Chamber of Commerce showed them some love, preparing them to make a positive impact in our schools. And just yesterday, schools were buzzing with excitement as all teachers and staff reported for pre-planning activities, preparations of classrooms, professional development opportunities, and beginning of year faculty meetings will pave the way for our students and families to join us for open house next Tuesday, July 29th. Open house will take place from 10 a.m. to 12 noon at the Academy for Advanced Studies, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at all high schools, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. at middle schools, and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. at elementary schools. Please remember, open house is subject to our clear bag requirements for large events, so leave any non-clear bags at home. 2 days later, we'll see you back in class. As a reminder, start and end times for elementary, 7:35 a.m. to 2:15 p.m. Middle schools, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. High schools, 8:15 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. And the Academy for Advanced Studies, 7:45 a.m. to 12:50 p.m. For our families, this is a reminder to update your child's information for upcoming school year using our online registration via the parent portal or using the link shown on screen. Or you can stop by our HCS Welcome Center at 166 Holly Smith Drive in McDonough that will be open until 6 p.m. through July 30th for in-person service. This and other important information about the start of the school year can be found on our Be Ready Day 1 web page at the link on screen. Let's make this year the best one yet. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.